In this session, we are going to discuss a poem. The topic of the poem is Silver, written by Walter de la Mare. What do you mean by the word silver? Yeah, it's a precious metal. Through this poem, the poet describes the visual effects of moonlight. What do you mean by visual effects? Here, the silvery look. Look at the moon, how beautiful it is. Yeah, it looks like a silver moon. Now I am going to read the poem. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver swoon. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one the cashmans catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couched in his canal like a log with paws of silver sleeps the dog. From the shadowy court the white-breast peep of doves in a silver-feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and a silver eye, and moveless fish in a water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. First of all, I would like to tell something about the author Walter de la Mare. He was born in 1873. He was a British poet, novelist, and writer of short stories. He is probably best remembered for his works for children. His poetry collection Songs of Childhood is considered as a remarkable example of children's literature. Now we are going to see the line by line explanation. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver swoon. Here, swoon means shoes. Here, the poet imagined the moon as a beautiful lady walking around slowly at night. The moon walks. How it walks? It walks slowly, at the same time silently, walk with her silver shoes. And this way and that she peers and sees. Here, peers means look intently. That means the moon looks everywhere. Wherever the moonbeams reaches, that object getting silver color. Like the moon, if the moon looks the trees look like a silver tree. If the moon looked at the fruit was getting silver color, it looked like a silver fruit. Let's see the fifth and sixth line of the poem. One by one the cashmans catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Here, cashmans means window, thatch means straw covered roof. Here the poet describes how the silver light of the moon shines upon the windows of the house below, and how the moonlight makes the roof of the houses also appear silver. The moonbeams entered the house through the window. Now, one by one window getting silver color. Finally, the whole house looked like a silver house, silver hut, silver thatch. Let us see the seventh and eighth line of the poem. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. Couched means laid down, and log means a piece of wood. So here the poet describes a dog sleeping like a log in its kennel. Its paws also appear to be silver because of the light of the moon. From the shadowy court, the white-breast peep of doves in the silver feathered sleep. In the ninth and 10th lines, the poet describes the white breast of doves, which are visible from the shadows of their shelter. That means court. Court means a shelter for birds such as doves, pigeons, like. And shadowy means under shadow. And white breast means birds with white feathers in their front. So, the feathers of the doves also appear to be silver. The doves are also asleep. In the 11th and 12th lines, the harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws of silver eye. Here, harvest mouse means a small rat found in the fields, and scampering means running with quick, short steps. Harvest mouse, it was always active, right? It was running, yeah, even though it was running, but its claws also getting silver color because of the moonbeams. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. This is the in the final two lines of the poem. The speaker described the fish in a stream. He describes the fish as moveless, suggesting that they too are sleeping. The moonlight makes the stream and also the reeds along the bank appear. That is also silver. That is also getting silver color. Here, reeds means riverside plant. So the atmosphere totally changed into silver color. In this poem, Silver, the poet describes the visual effects of the moonlight on countryside at night as the moon walks silently over the human settlements. Below, everything turns into silver color. It moves over the trees, make them appear silver. The silver beams of the moon is reflecting on the window, that is also getting silver color. And the moon is reflecting of the sleeping dove's chest and also reflecting on the harvest mouse glass and ice which is running, it was getting silver color. The motionless fish and water of a stream turn into silver by the moon. So the poet describes the beauty of the nature.